English with foreigners.
Bitu. Hello there.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Anna, your teacher for today.
Hello, I'm Daisy.
How's your day?
I'm very good.
Great. So, our topic today is let's travel. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Do you like traveling?
I like.
So, can you repeat after me? I like traveling.
I like traveling.
One more time. I like traveling.
I like traveling.
Great. Fantastic. So, how often do you travel?
What? I don't understand it.
So, do you travel once a year? Twice a year? 3 times a year?
Oh, about once a month.
Wow, you travel so much. Okay, where do you like to go?
I like going to Sapa.
Sapa, wow, okay, very nice place. Do you go to Sapa once a month?
Yes.
Wow, amazing. Okay, how's the weather there?
Sorry, can you ask again?
Is it hot, cold, rainy, sunny?
Oh, it's so cold.
Ah, much colder than here. I see. Okay, what can you do there?
Sorry? What? I don't understand it.
What activities can you do in Sapa?
Yeah, I usually climb mountain.
Wow, you like to climb mountains? So, do you prefer the mountains or the beach?
Mountain.
So, you would say, I prefer the mountains. Can you repeat?
Yes, I prefer climb mountain.
Okay. And who do you usually travel with?
My family.
Okay, so again, I travel with my family.
Okay, I prefer with my family.
So let's try it again. I travel with my family.
I prefer with my family.
Fantastic, great. Okay, and when do you usually travel?
I travel in my free time or in my holiday.
In your free time? So, do you work at the weekends?
Yes. Can you ask again?
So when is your free time? Is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, weekend?
On Saturday and Sunday.
Sunday. Ah, you like to travel on Sunday. Me too.
Download Bitu, Let's Speak English app on Google Play or App Store to practice speaking English every day. See ya!